true blue Goan. And I love chicken Cafreal. It reminds me of my childhood days in Goa.
Goan cuisine is known for its intense flavors, and our dish for today is the chicken Cafreal, which is one such Goan recipe that was brought to Goa 500 years ago. And to give due justice to this cuisine, we have one of Mumbai's favorite restaurant for its Goan food, Goa Portuguese. And our chef for today is Master Chef and co-founder herself, Mrs. Deepa Awchat, who has won many awards and hearts with her fabulous cooking technique.
So let's marinate 400 grams of chicken with salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of 8 to 9 sauce. Now let's make Cafreal paste. Let's cut one medium size onion. The second is about 4 green chilies. Then there is 1 inch ginger piece, about 8 garlic cloves, about 8 of them, 8 to 10 black peppercorn, about 1 inch cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and Goans love cashew nuts, and it is amply available in Goa too, and it adds to the taste. Now lastly we have to add nice flavoring coriander leaves. All this goes in a mixer, but don't use water, as coriander leaves and onion leaves moisture. Make a thick green paste of it. This is your Cafreal paste. This is our green flavorful Cafreal masala. 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of onion, let's cover this for some time. Okay, our chicken Cafreal is almost ready. Lastly, for taste, add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. It gives a nice tangy taste, and little bit of salt to taste. So here our chicken Cafreal is ready. It's very flavorful. Coriander leaves have given it lots of flavor, and plus the cloves, peppercorn, cinnamon also have added to the flavor. You can have it with palm or just by itself.
Thank you so much, Chef. So that was a traditional Goan chicken Cafreal from Goa Portuguese for you guys. So if you happen to like this recipe, do let us know in the comments below. And you can even order online, as they're accepting orders as well. Till then, this is me, Bianca Saurashtri. Happy cooking!